Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Point, and today we are here to have an update on job of electrical or mechanical candidates. So I have already opened the page, so let's check it. So there is a requirement of employees in IFSC group, and here work experience required, which varies from 0 to 5 years, means freshers is also eligible there, and your CTC will be 2.75 to 4.5 LPA, which is pretty good, and your job location will be in Nagpur, Pune and Aurangabad. Okay, and if you look at the role you will be given there, that is of industrial engineer. Functional area will be productivity, manufacturing and engineering. Employment type will be a full time, means you will be a permanent employee there. The role category will be engineering. Education required, if you see, you need to have diploma in either mechanical or electrical domain. Similarly, you can also have BTech or BE in electrical or mechanical domain. All these branches basically belongs to mechanical or electrical domain. And key skills required here is also plant operations, purchase, automobiles, mechanical manufacturing. Everything belongs to these two domains. Nothing more is required apart from that. So for apply to the job position, you can apply from here, register to apply. You can see the cursor of the mouse. So from here you can register for the job, for which first we'll have to prepare your profile on naukri.com, and then you can apply for the role. You can directly open the page from the link that will be provided in the description of the video. So get yourself a reserved job in IFSC group. Thank you. That's all for today.